Hello guys, in this video we'll show how we can do a simple PLC program with one input and one output. So first we'll start this Logosoft Comfort software. From this software we'll go into this file section. From file we'll choose new files. We can choose functional block diagram, ladder diagram, or user defined function, that is UDF diagram. The ladder diagram is the popular one, we'll go for that. So once we open that software, once we choose that file, we can save this file to a desired location, like save it as in your desired location. I will choose the desktop. I will create a folder. The folder name should be anything you want. I am choosing PLC programs. Here we'll give it a name. I will give it input one output program, and the extension should be .lld. Well, we have saved our file. Now what we'll do, we'll take the components for the program. Well, from the left side of the software we can choose the components to build our program. So as we have one input and one output, we'll take this make contact block. If you click on the I1 block, it will give you a window like this. From here you can give it a name like start switch. Then you can choose the property of this component. You can make it as a switch or momentary push button. So let's keep it as a momentary push button. So when we press this button, it will make the contact up. When we leave the button, it will open the contact. So let's give it a OK. Then we have one output. That output is our relay coil. So this relay coil, will like to give it some properties. In the comment section, let's give it a name. Our output module we are using for this program is the indicator light, so let's give it a name of indicator light. Well, from here you can choose which point of the output port you want to connect your load. I am connecting to the Q1 point, so let's choose that, then hit OK. Once your programming component is placing is done, then you can connect them. To connect, just click on the corner points or the connecting points. It will give you a wiring mode and then connect to the desired position. So this is it. We have one input component, one input push button switch, and one output indicator light. So once you are done with your programming, we can do a simulation here for this file if our programming is running well or not. To do that, you can go from tools to simulation, that is F3 of the function key. So once you click that, such interface will appear. Here we can see the left side line, it has turned into red. That means it contains power. The power is from this power bus to the I1 terminal point, but these are blue. That means it has not received the power yet. So once we turn on this switch, like if you click on this, it will turn on. If you leave, it will turn off. So you can also do so from here. You can click it. As a result, the Q1 indicator light will lead. If you leave, it will disconnect the connection and the light will go off. So this is it. Let's build our circuit diagram in the hardware. So to connect or upload this program to our hardware, first of all we need to connect our PLC with our system. So go to the network project tab. From here we can see this is your local PC. You need to connect, add new device. So from add new device, you need to choose the version of logo you are using. Here I am using logo 8.3. Then you need to put the IP address of your device. So in my PLC, the IP address is the last digit is 7 and the gateway is 10. It could be different for you. So how to get these parameters, or how to set these parameters, you can do it on the PLC modules itself. I'll show you later. So here's the IP address and gateway, default gateway parameters you need to put here. Then you need to press OK. If it is correct, or if everything is okay, the connection, you need to connect your PLC with the computer using the programming cable or the Ethernet cable. For my case, I'm using Ethernet cable. So if it's okay, the IP address is okay, it will get connected or show diagram like this. Then what you need to do to upload your program, you can choose this shortcut option that shows PC to logo, or you can go here from transfer, you can choose PC to logo button. Once you click this, a window will appear. So here in this interface, we can choose the programming connection. I am using Ethernet. You can also choose the controller. I am using the Realtek Gaming GB family controller. So if the IP address you have given is okay, you can check it at the address book. Here is the IP address, subnet mask, and the gateway I have given earlier. So I think it's okay. You can check it whether your computer is connected or not also from this button. You can give it a test. If everything is okay, you will give you a green tick. After that, you need to press OK. So once your program is uploaded, so it will pop up dialog like this. The device is in run mode. That means my PLC connected is in run mode. Change it to a stop mode. Yes. The programming upload data transfer is done 100%. The device is in stop mode. Do you want to run it? Yes, I want to run it. Yes. So that's it. It's now connected to the program has been uploaded to our PLC. Now let's get into the hardware part.